Guess what would be crazy? Doing an unboxing video and a building video in the same one. Yo guys, this is Dave, Unknown Origin Effects, where unknown horrors become real. I don't do weekly videos or bi-weekly videos, necessarily build videos, review videos, boxing videos, or unboxing videos. I just kind of do whatever I feel. So, for this one, I'm putting together my very first pneumatic prop. I built other props in the past, most were electric or something else like that. But this is my very first pneumatic prop. So we're better to go than somewhere that provides a good beginner starter kit. And I went to Frightprops. I have a mech that I bought from another person. A mechanical device that I'm going to be using to run everything that I plan on hooking up to in my prop. An unboxing portion of this video.
Unboxing time!
Frightprops. I got the, let's see here, so I'm correct, the Peekaboo AC starter kit. Straight away we got, looks like a couple boxes and a speaker and some wires. So got a little wired speaker here with, if I believe correctly, maybe 10 to 15 feet, I'm not sure, speaker. Second thing, other than the boxes, is this is I guess a standard audio patch cord that you could run from your phones in your car to your car or whatever, but this is I believe this goes into one part of the device. I'm not real sure yet, so we will see. I know you can use this for audio, so we'll see if that is the case again, because this speaker wire is already hooked up. Fun bubble wrap. Alright, then we are left with, Frightprops little tool. I love that they put these in here because not everyone that tries tinkering around with this has anything like this sitting around. And then we are left with, it says Peekaboo AC prop controller on this one, and Frightprops logo on this one. I want to see what's in this first. Should be, okay, cool. So we got some mounting hardware. It should be the PIR. Yep. So black. This dude looks like it's got a very nice thick long cord with a multi-wired connection and instructions for the 12 volt DC, plus and minus, positive and negative, and then a 2 trigger connection. So awesome. And then Peekaboo AC prop controller. It's so cute. So it's a little bit smaller than my hand. I got pretty good sized hands. Fits in my hand, obviously. Nice, streamlined, hard plastic casing. Looks like it's got everything nice and detailed out on there. You've seen any of their how-to videos through Frightprops, they run you through every little bit of these things. So if you're not sure what you're doing, past the, I'm guessing, the little manuals they send, and just from dicking around yourself, you'll be able to check it out at frightprops.com. And then obviously we got a nice power cord. So plan is, this bad boy, once plugged in and and everything's run up, we'll be running the mechanical arm for a bad bio blood croc mask from Tommy Cassidy. But anyways, so we'll wrap up this portion of this video and we'll roll over to some of the other stuff. Peace.
Programming the sound and movement.
Alright guys, what's up? We are looking down at the Peekaboo AC Frightprops controller and a couple things here I just wanted to point out. Took a little trial and error even with using the instructions, but this little screw right here controls the audio output, and it was all the way up, and just as precaution I recorded my audio with it all the way up in my audio source, which was my iPad, like at 75% or maybe even 65, kind of where it suggested. Because I did that, there was no play in the volume after I recorded, so you could barely hear it. So what I did was I turned this screw dial, which regulates the volume, all the way down, so that anything I recorded, once I turned it up, it would have maximum volume output from this little speaker. This is a basic program. You can see it picking me up talking in GarageBand through a Mac, Apple, iPad, and I just got some sound effects, edited them how I wanted. Here's the sound. Oh, whoops, got it plugged in. And then I connected the patch cable, which I shown previously in this video. That side's unplugged, but attach that to the line in.
Then I will plug it, and then I will do.
Well, yeah, you have to plug that, but that's fine. And then I held record, hit the 2-channel, and that gave me my quick startle audio. If I want to do ambient sound, like maybe an environmental thing, like let's say this is going to be in a swamp and we just want some swamp sounds, we would go to the 1st channel. But I don't think I'm going to be doing that. We're just going to do the startle scare, so I did that. Once that was done, I wired in the little speaker. Red is positive, not like on cars where it's negative, and black is negative.
I'm good, Jack.
And I program the movements to the sound. So all I gotta do is push this button once and it will play back the sound. And that's about that's like maybe 1/3 volume up. We got a whole nother full spin we could do here. So, and then to program the movement, I just hit these two. I hit record, and then once the sound started playing, the first one was for the 1st channel AC plug-in. The second one's for the second one. So basically, it's my prop, and then a light that's going to come on with the prop. So as it goes off, and I'll just hit this again. That movement right there is it coming out and lighting up. And that's just kind of a quick rundown of what I did. Like I said, you could even, I use this program to do a lot of stuff, but you could also use the basic sound audio thing in your regular phone and patch cable it out. Just record yourself doing something goofy.
Assembling the parts.
This is my bad bayou or bad blood inspired prop. It's on a mech here, foam filled the inside, and a external piece of PVC from the inside of it to the inside of the square frame. Did some taping and fasteners just for extra security. Got a little pancake compressor here going to the solenoid. All that's going into a Peekaboo AC adapter. Got the speaker coming out one side and the PIR going out the other, which right now we have covered up so it doesn't go off. And then we have a light going out the AC as well. Where's that thing at?
The sensor? I don't know. Over here.
All in all, there's a lot of different things you could do with this. For my first pneumatic, it was pretty easy. I got the mech arm assembly with solenoid from Johnson Fabrication Controls, the prop controller kit from Frightprops, any prop head, but I got this mask from Tommy Cassidy. Already had a light to plug in, compressor that I already had, or you can get another better one that's quiet, and something to provide some sound. I use my GarageBand program.
For watching this video, my first pneumatic prop that I ever put together. I hope this was somewhat helpful and informational for anyone that's looking to get any of the things that I got as far as the mechanical stuff, working pneumatics, or the prop controller. It was fairly easy once you get the hang of it, just some troubleshooting even with the instructions. I'd say the hardest thing overall was dialing in the airflow controls just right. A little too less, it didn't want to move, a little too much, the prop wanted to jump off the floor. So that's very important. Other than the level that you're allowing to come in from the compressor, the airflow controls on the solenoid, you could really tune in a lot better. So other than that, hope you guys liked. Subscribe if you haven't, and drop me a line if there's any particular thing you'd like to see. Peace.